Organizing your reselling clothing inventory in plastic bins can be a great way to keep your business running smoothly. Hi, my name is Alina. I'm a part-time Poshmark reseller and a reselling content creator. And in today's video, I will show you what I did to organize my business and keep things run smoothly for me. With the right bins and a little bit of effort, you can create an efficient inventory system that will save you a lot of time. I cannot tell you how many times I've turned my inventory upside down and inside out looking for that little t-shirt that I sold. And my best time was one day. Organizing is mandatory for me, especially when you have a large number of listings like I do. I currently have about 850 active listings, so having a system that will help me find my item right away is imperative for me. The first step in organizing your items is to decide what type of bins you need. Depending on the size of your business and the items you're selling, you might want to purchase storage bins in different sizes. This will allow you to store different items in the right size bin. I have an IKEA store nearby, so I went with their storage bins. I know they're not the cheapest. I shopped around a little bit and went to Walmart as well as IKEA, and I decided to go with the IKEA bins because they have wheels and they have great lids. And you can also see all the items you put in the bin because they are see-through. If you want to get an idea or even order from them, I will leave the dimensions and approximate prices in the comments down below. And I will also let you know my total cost of the whole setup. I will show you a before and after, and it's going to be just for inspiration. You can set up any way you like. Once you have the right bins for your inventory, you should set up a system for organizing them. This might include labeling each bin with the type of items it contains and the sizes, or just the bin number and what type of items you are storing inside. You could also organize your bins by color or style, and this will make it easier to find the items you need when you are stocking up your store or filling orders. Additionally, if you store your items in multiple locations, you might want to consider using a tracking system to make sure you know where all your bins are. And before I show you all the before and after and all the struggle that I've been through to organize everything, like I said, I have a big inventory. Well, not huge, but big, 850 plus items, and post at least 5 items each day. I want to ask you, if you enjoyed this video and all my content about reselling, please consider subscribing and hitting the share or like button, and let's go. So I have very limited space. It's just a corner and the side of the garage, and this is where I air and dry my items, after I wash them. These here are all posted. These here are not posted. Then I have all my packaging stuff. I'm saving everything, paper and air bubbles. And this is the mess. Now, like I said, believe it or not, I know where everything is. I have bags, I have shoes, I have unposted dead pile. This is been just posted and needs processing. These are tops and bottoms and jeans, and all these boxes are sweaters and jackets. These are shoes, and these are dresses, and these are accessories. So look at the big picture and you will see how it looks like after I'm done with it. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I cannot wait to be done with it. So I am going to IKEA and getting some clear bins, and I will try to organize everything as best as I can. So organizing all this took me nearly a week because life happens and I could not be consistent organizing from morning to evening. But if you have a large inventory, please take your time. Don't feel pressured. Just do things your way and you will feel so much better when all organizing is over and everything is in place. You guys, I'm not even halfway through. Oh my god, it's so much. But I can see the light. Okay, day number 2. If you're wondering why I have a mask, it's because it's very dusty in here and I will try to pick it up from last night where I left off. It is a lot of work and I started this, so I'm gonna finish it. Okay, day number 3, I am starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel. I have to go back to IKEA because I need 2 more bins, but I am making progress. So please stay tuned for the results. Okay, I'm back. This is day 12 actually, or maybe 13. This has taken a lot of time. Life happened, so I could not organize continuously. So yeah, it took me a lot of time, but this is the result. I will show you what you can do if you just are consistent and determined. Oh my god, guys, this is unreal. I am done organizing. Look at this. These bins were a lot of money. I'm gonna show you the receipts, but I am so much happier. This is empty. Oh my god. This is actually my packing stuff I'm recycling, and that over there is for donation. And everything is numbered. I know where everything is. I am so happy. These are all tops and bottoms, and I know them visually, but I will still have to number the shelves. I started with number 5 shelf right there, and I have to go and put everything in the inventory where it is. Other than that, it's done. It's done. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I got 10 extra large bins and 3 narrow and long bins. Woo! So I hope I could inspire and motivate you and give you a few ideas. Finally, it is important to remember that organizing your reselling inventory is not a one-time event. You might need some help with folding, cleaning, packing items in bags, and keep in mind as your business grows and your inventory changes, you might need to reorganize your bins and adjust your system accordingly. Taking the time to properly organize and maintain your inventory will save you a lot of time and money in the long run. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!